So, Scotty, is Bernsey your Vanna? He's your assistant?
Meet Nicholas.
Hi, girl.
What up?
So, what do we got going here?
I just finished let's get in close with some lighting. Everything's been scrubbed clean.
Where's the lighting?
I just moved out of the way. My big ass was blocking it.
It should be charged enough, yeah.
There's some light.
Okay, so I did a scrub up.
So we're just using the battery just to test real quick. Flip it.
Scrubbed. Turn.
Scotty made all new leads.
All new leads, which are screw-on, so I didn't have to worry about rebuilding or soldering. So I made some real good proper connectors, shrink wrapped them, new ground, it's connected. And this is live. I don't know. I haven't even tested it myself to know, so this is going to be a shock. So are we ready?
And action. Well, that's cute. Ooh. Wiper motor. Nope. Must be capacitor.
No.
Or
Almost is.
that speed's dead. So it only works at one speed.
I'll check my connection.
Check your action.
So I'm happy.
Put some black tape on. Oh, wait. They two different colors?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
So we know green, and it's weird because green is the smallest, it's the slowest.
No one doesn't want to work.
So I'll clean up the connection on the motor again. I don't know if I cleaned that one good enough.
And
so I'll
check
take
it
the
again.
wire brush and double check. And it looks like we have a working
Wiper motor.
that I can put back in, assemble, hook up the switch, finish off the interior, finish off all the wiring inside the car.
We're waiting for the... Did you tell him about the
Nope.
secret?
Nope. I'm not telling anybody until it's here and I can do my surprise video.
I know
on
the
it.
secret.
I know the secret too.
So there is surprise video. I think it's a mega surprise. So I'm going to call it mega surprise video number 3 will be coming up after this.
Probably next week.
Rough guess,
when it
yeah.
gets here.
Rough guess. When it gets here. I'm not telling anybody. I'm not even going to indicate what it could or could not be. But
It might be. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
But this makes me feel so good.
Are you excited?
Yes, very much so. So now,
Oh. So it's a contact.
so I got to clean the contact. Yes!
All right, that was cool. All right, so
we
clean the
now
contact.
have high and low on wiper. I will hook everything up. I will double check. I'm ecstatic. Like legitimately ecstatic. This makes me feel so good.
He's legitimately static. Like Wayne Static from Static X.
Okay, ladies
so
and
did
gentlemen,
Bob when he passed away.
I will
Yep.
keep you guys informed on the next video for this after we've cleaned everything up and double checked it. And we will go from there.
Nice.
Thank you, guys.